Today we are starting a new topic, how and why mentorship is needed. And I'm going to explain it based on the Johari window. Do you know about Johari window? Actually, again, I will be talking about there are four panes in this Johari window. Every day, actually, I will be talking about one point. So, okay, let me just talk about the four panes of windows. Okay, so what are those? First pane, that you know about yourself and everybody else knows about yourself. So I can just give you example like yeah, means how you look, what is your hair color, what is your height and weight and everything, how your eyes and the way you talk, your accent, everybody knows, you know. So it's like open window. Now, the second pane is you know, but nobody else knows, like your bank balance, your salary. Yeah, you know, but you may not disclose it to everybody. Third pane, you don't know, but everybody else knows, like maybe your stinking attitude, or if you have bad breath, or whatever it is. But you don't know, you are not aware of it, but everybody else knows. And now, fourth is you also don't know, nobody else knows. That is the critical area. How will you work on that area? And that is where the mentorship comes. And I'll explain in details how the mentorship can help. And once you shorten this particular pain, you will succeed in your business. And I'll just explain you in more details about how you can do that. Okay, here we are talking mainly about the improvement. Now, the first pane where you know about yourself and everybody else knows about yourself. So, there, if you want to improve, yeah, because you know what is wrong, so you can easily improve, or other people also know what is wrong and what can be improved. So, you can even take input from them and you can get all the help and you can improve in that area. So for example, yeah, means basically if you want to lose weight, means basically you know what you need to do and you can even take help from other people because this is a known fact. And many times once the problem is identified, is half solved and later on you have to just take action. So that is the easiest pen you can work on. You know about yourself and others also know about you. Now the second pen, that basically you know about yourself but others don't know. There again, you know about yourself what your shortcomings are. You can go and find the resource to help in that particular area, and you can find help, you can seek help, and you can get improvement in that particular area. Others don't know, but others will see that you are improving, and then they will understand what is happening, and they are you are improving and all. So here I'm just talking mainly about the success and self improvement point of view. So that area also can be easily worked on. Now the third area that you don't know but others know, and fourth area that you don't know and others also don't know, that is really little tricky area, and we'll find out how we can work on even those areas and improve our life and succeed. Okay, so what is the third area? Third pain. Third pain is basically you don't know but others know. And here you can improve only if you want to improve, because sometimes this is very tricky area, because if you have a bad breath, how can someone come and tell you that okay, you have bad breath and you have to improve? Or for example, if you are into a people business and you are not smiling at all, you are always uptight and all, it's means even if you have a mentor, that mentor has to be really careful in telling you, because mentor doesn't want to hurt your ego. So here you have to become like open book to your mentor, and you have to say that I want to succeed. Please tell me what is needed. Yeah, because I know actually someone who was into people business as was not smiling at all, and his mentor kept on telling him, "Smile, smile, smile," and he said, "I'm smiling." Then finally the mentor said, "Stand in front of the mirror and see." Can you smile? And if you smile, can you impress yourself? And then he realized that he was really not smiling. He thought whatever he was smiling was not a smile, and he had to improve. So, the area which he didn't know but others know, and if you really want to improve, you can improve in that area. But now, the fourth area is the real tricky one, and that is actually you don't know, and even others don't know. How can you improve in that area? So, we talked about first three pains, that is you know and even others know. Second is you know others don't know. Third is you don't know others know. And fourth is you don't know and even others don't know. We took care of all the three areas where you can find help and you can improve yourself and you can succeed. Now the fourth area, you don't know and even others don't know. Then how can you improve in that area? Now, for example, even if you have a mentor, but even if he doesn't know, how can you improve in that area? Because your mentor doesn't stay with you whole day 24/7. In that case, actually the mentorship system comes handy. The system comprised of basically whatever podcast and webinars and books, whatever it is, it's comprised of everything. Means they did the research and they found whoever is making more than quarter of million of dollars per year, they used all these things. They use podcasts, they use webinars, they use books, everything to improve themselves. And why it is needed? Because when you are reading a book, you come across with something and then you realize, oh my goodness, I have this problem. I never knew that. No, I can improve that. Or if you listen to somebody's talk, yeah, or if you associate with somebody, you go for big conferences and functions and all, and there you listen to somebody, then you realize, oh my goodness, I had this problem, but now I know it and I can improve. So just mentor is not enough. So mentorship system is needed where it is comprised of everything: books, tapes, functions, CDs, podcast, webinars, conferences, everything. And they have done the research. Whoever made more than quarter million, they did all those things. So, yeah, this is a proven thing. If you want to improve in your life, work on all these four pains and basically pay attention to the fourth pain. You don't know, and even every nobody else also knows about you. God bless and be grow and grow. So, in conclusion, I want to tell you, if you are looking for any kind of mentorship to improve your personal life, professional life, business life, yeah, means do contact us because that is what happened to us. We came across with the mentorship and that changed our life for better. It really improved our life in each and every area. It's means it's not just monetary, means it's every area. Health, wealth, happiness, means all the factors are covered. So if you are looking for help in any area, means basically you do contact us. Means the team is looking for some people to mentor. It's very hard to qualify, but hey, there is no harm in trying, means basically if you want to improve your life any possible way, don't hesitate, just contact us. Thank you.